Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to keep Spotify playing. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Tech Helpline, and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Press and hold the Spotify app icon. Here, tap the info icon at the top right. You will be taken to the app info page. So, under Privacy, tap Permissions and allow all the permissions. When done, go back and toggle off Remove Permissions if app is unused. Next, scroll down and under Usage, tap Mobile Data. Here you can see the Allow Background Data Usage, so toggle it on. Go back and tap Battery. Select the Optimized option. Once you do that, open Spotify on your device and play a song. Minimize the app and you will still be able to listen to the music. So that's how you keep Spotify playing. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one.